guys, it's your boy Lukey Wukey Woo, and today we're going to be reviewing a bird's eye chili, but we're going to be prank and frank with a Carolina Reaper chili. Yeah, not too bad. Hi Frank.
Hi Luke, you alright mate?
Yeah, I'm good. Here's your chili. I've already had mine.
It ain't too hot, is it, boy?
No, it's a mild one.
Right. Oh. No way is that mild. You prat. Whose milkshake is this?
You can have it if you want it.
You idiot.
It's gonna take more than milkshake, Frank. I think you need some ice cream.